Hi and welcome to SQL Injection Master Course. My name is Hitesh and I would really be happy if you visit my homepage, access the Learn from Hitesh section, and please, if you are interested in purchasing any other course, please purchase it directly or drop me an email if you are interested in really interested in learning the things and want to have access to my course. So this is, I think, the 26th video that I'm creating for SQL injection, and I hope I was successfully able to give you the inside details what are being behind the SQL injection. So as a developer, you can get rid of those problems, and as a pen tester, you can utilize those problems to make sure that your client is actually safe from these kinds of attacks. But really, there is no end of SQL injection because to be honest, it is just an SQL query that how much you can think you can amend it, but really we have to go a very long after this video too. So definitely this series is going to be as comprehensive as in nature as I can build it up. And so let's see what we have got in this video, and particularly this video is moreover for your practice as compared to me, but definitely I couldn't stop myself from getting you to the few inside steps before letting you to be at your own. So let's try to have that, and let's move on to our SQL injection machine. So we have again got a lesson 11.zip file for you, a new lesson, a new challenge for you. So let me first of all zoom it a bit so it's become easier to understand the things. First of all, I'll start the services as this machine is being newly started now. Service Apache to start, and please also start one more thing, that is, you know it, start MySQL. Okay, you can also do, you can move to move the /root desktop lesson file to /var www and master. Once you move that file, let me also travel to /var www and master, and if I do a ls, I can see that where is it? Here it is. Oops, it's not. Here it is. Lesson level. I don't know why every time I am not able to see these kinds of things on my screen. Perhaps I need a larger laptop. Really don't know about that. Most of the time these files are really getting away from my eyes. So what we can do here is simply let's unzip the content of lesson 11 this time. Okay, so everything is out there. Now I can start my Firefox. Let's start it on a background process so that in case if I need the terminal, it's being available for me. So what I can do here is I can simply start the local host, and instead of this I can start the lesson number 11. Now here is the image is being changed, but if you see the lesson number 10, it is quite same apart from this ninja man. So at this place we have got ninja, and on other there is a man who is trying to push the button. Okay, so what you have to do in this lesson, just what we have discussed in the previous chapter, it is almost the same, but you have to understand how to break the query and how to do inside. I will just give us some hints or some tries on this lesson. Maybe I might be successful or maybe not. So let's try with a single quote. This downside arrow is just for, you can say, dislike or you are not working with right things. Okay, let's try to hit double quotes. Okay, so we have got double quotes here, but if I do a double quote and hyphen plus, it's not working. Double quotes and let's say hash, it's also not working up till and unless you are getting this downside. It's not working actually. So what you can do, let's put a backslash here, and in the error you find that there is a double quote and a bracket. So let's try double quote and a bracket, and let me push a hash. Okay, so it's not working again. So let's try double quotes, bracket, hash. Oops, double quote, bracket and hash, and same thing at the password as well. Okay, so this time no error. I was successfully able, although I was not able to break into the website, but I was able to successfully break the query and successfully make the error and break the query and fill it up. So my point is out here is I will not be proceeding after this step because this lesson is absolutely for your practice, and I am quite sure that almost 99% of you who are watching till now with this series will be able to crack into this lesson. If you are not, you need to go back and see again lots of videos and with more concentration. Although still you find any problem, there is always support from my side. But still, that's only for this video, and in the next video we are going to learn some more new commands that will help you to crack out some more lessons. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to drop me an email.